If you have a house in Columbus, Ohio, and you're looking to sell, but you're not looking to pay any real estate agent fees or commissions, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses here in Columbus, Ohio. And when you sell to us, we're a direct buyer, so there are no fees or commissions that you need to pay. So before I get into all the reasons why so many sellers in Columbus prefer to work with us rather than working with a real estate agent where they pay fees and commissions, let me clear the air first off. We are not against real estate agents. We work very closely with them. We're working with them on transactions right now. I used to be a real estate agent. It's a situational thing though. In some situations, for you as the seller, working with a real estate agent is going to be your best bet. It's your best choice. In other situations, which we'll explore, working with us as a direct buyer is going to be your best bet. So we're not against real estate agents. It's not us versus them by any means. Everybody plays very nice together and works very nice together, and I wanted to clear the air on that. So 3 main scenarios that we see for sellers of properties in Columbus, Ohio. First one is sellers who have some type of time frame or timeline that they need to sell within. Secondly is the repairs and the condition of the property. And then thirdly is really just the preference of the seller on privacy. Okay, so let's talk about all 3. If you're in some type of situation where you need to sell within a given timeline, selling to us might be your best bet because we're not going to use a mortgage to buy your house. So we can close on the date of your choice. Some sellers need or want to close quickly and hit a certain date, like we have to close by Friday or we have to close by the end of the month. If that's the case, work with us because we can set it up so we will absolutely close on that time frame. If time's not a big deal for you, maybe working with a real estate agent's your best bet. They're going to find a buyer for this thing, but just know you're probably going to be closing more so on the buyer's timeline. You know, and if they got to qualify for a loan, you're kind of qualifying, or you got to wait until they qualify or wait till their bank approves everything. It could take 30 days, it could take 60 days. You just don't know. The timeline is a bit more fuzzy. But if timing is important to you, you got to hit a certain date, we're going to give you that certainty. If it's not that important to you, work with a real estate agent. They're more than qualified to bring a buyer to the table. Just know you'll be closing on their timeline. Secondly is a biggie. It is the repairs and the condition of the property. And if you're someone like me that just doesn't want to fix the property and put any work into the property, you want to sell it as is, we're going to be a good fit for you. The reason I say I don't like it, we're having work done to our house right now, and it's a nightmare. I don't even have to do the work myself. I got to coordinate, and you got contractors, you got handymen, you got people cleaning, we got little ones running around. Listen, if you're somebody who doesn't want to fix up the property, we're an as-is buyer. We're going to be a good fit for you. We'll buy the house as is, so you don't got to fix anything. You don't got to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You can leave anything at the house that you want to. We'll take care of it all for you. And since we're a cash buyer, there are no thorough inspections that you need to go through. There's no appraisals that you need to go through. We'll truly buy the house as is. Now, if the house is in beautiful condition, and you want to showcase this house, you want to get professional pictures taken of this property, well, listing with an agent might be your best bet. Maybe they'll help you stage the property. It could be like a whole HGTV experience is what they can create for you, and they're probably going to get you top dollar for this thing too. However, if the house is not that great a condition and you don't want to deal with the repairs, we're a good fit for you. If the house is in great condition, let the agent have at it. You know, they're going to get multiple buyers, help create the vision for this buyer to move into the property if it's move-in ready. Or if you have a little money in the bank and this buyer that a real estate agent brings, if they want new gutters and you don't mind putting up the money to get some repairs done, to get this transaction closed, well, that's perfectly fine. Work with a real estate agent. If you want to sell as is, we're going to be your best bet. And then finally, number 3 really is your preference. It's your privacy. Every single week I talk to sellers and they just don't want people trekking through the house for whatever reason. They just don't want a lot of people, foot traffic, people in and out. If you don't want the foot traffic, we're going to be a good fit for you. We don't really need to see the house that much. I mean, in some cases, you can just send in pictures or a video and we can make you an offer right there on the spot. I mean, it's perfectly easy for us. We buy so many houses that we kind of know what we're getting into and we don't need a lot of trips to the house and waste your time. However, if you don't care about that, and maybe the house is vacant, it's in great shape, and you're going to put a lockbox on this thing, and that's what you want to do, a real estate agent's a good fit for you in that scenario. However, if you just don't want the foot traffic and want to respect your own privacy for whatever reason, we're going to be a good fit in that scenario. So if you have a house in Columbus you're looking to sell and you don't want to pay any realtor fees or commissions, we are a direct buyer. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you. Our number here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We're the original, been around 14 years. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials for you to check out of sellers just like you, people that we've worked with. And when we get on the phone with you, just so you know, it's an easy conversation, no pressure. This is not a call center here located in some foreign distant land where we're going to pressure you and do sales tactics and games. Listen, we're going to make you a fair offer on the house. If it works for you, great, we'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. And in some cases, if we determine after speaking that we're not the best fit for you, but listing with an agent is a better fit for you, we'll tell you that. In fact, we can refer agents to you. Again, it is not an us versus them scenario whatsoever, and it's all about you and what your needs are and doing what's best for you at the end of the day. So if you have a house in Columbus, you want to sell fast, easy, as is, no commissions and fees, give us a call. We can discuss options here. And our number, once again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.